There is a moment when thinking becomes the ether in which reality acquires its form. Phase 1. The mind actively deforms reality, transitioning from passive perception to the active construction of meaning. This is the primordial establishment of order, where logic becomes the lever for overcoming external chaos. Phase 2. Coherence reveals the inner construction of effort, transforming dissonance into a symphony of ordered being. Here, subjective truth acquires the status of objective law within the created system. Phase 3. The intellect becomes an ontological center. Influence becomes pure resonance, a stronger intellectual rhythm. Other systems subordinate themselves to this logic, through the inevitability of synchronization with a stronger intellectual rhythm. This act describes the genesis of noetic power, which is born from the very fabric of thinking.